Hi there, little explorers! Are you ready for a big adventure? Today we are going deep, deep, deep under the sea. We are going to meet 25 amazing water friends. Put on your goggles. And let's dive in. 3, 2, 1, splash!
If you had fun today, don't forget to share this video. Click the subscribe button to join our underwater club. Click! And ring the bell so you never miss a new adventure with us. Ding, ding, ding! Look! Over there in the wavy anemone, it's a clownfish. Can you say clownfish? Great! He is bright orange with white stripes. He loves to hide and play peekaboo. Peekaboo, little fishy.
And here comes a very blue friend. This is a blue tang. Look at that beautiful color. Can you point to the blue tang on your screen? You found it! She is swimming so fast. Swim, swim, swim.
Slow and steady. Here comes a sea turtle. She has a big, hard shell to keep her safe. Can you move your arms slowly like a turtle?
You're doing it! Turtles love to eat seagrass. Yum, yum, yum. Giddy up! This little one is a seahorse. He has a curly tail to hold on to the seaweed. Can you curl your finger like a seahorse tail? He doesn't have scales. He has skin. What a special little friend. Wow! This fish looks like a beautiful butterfly. It's a butterfly fish. Look at those pretty yellow and black patterns. Can you flap your hands like butterfly wings? Flap, flap, flap. So pretty. Great white shark. Da-dun, da-dun. Look, it's a great white shark. Can you show me your big shark teeth? Chomp, chomp, chomp. Sharks are the fastest hunters in the sea. Bye-bye, Mr. Shark. Listen, it's a dolphin. Dolphins are super friendly. Can you jump like a dolphin? Boing, boing. Great jumping. Blue whale. Whoa, look how big! This is a blue whale. It's the biggest animal in the whole world. Can you say blue whale? He is a gentle giant. Sploosh! Manta ray. Look at this friend gliding through the water. It's a manta ray. It looks like a big bird flying in the ocean. Wave your arms like wings. Flap, flap, flap.
Hammerhead shark. Look at his funny head. It's shaped like a tool. It's a hammerhead shark. Can you say hammerhead? He is a very silly-looking shark, isn't he? Octopus. 1, 2, 3, 8 arms. It's an octopus. He can change colors and hide. Can you wiggle your 8 fingers like an octopus? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Jellyfish. Wobble, wobble, wobble. a squishy jellyfish. It looks like a glowing umbrella. Can you say jellyfish? It's so pretty, but don't touch.
Starfish. Look on the sand. It's a starfish. It's shaped just like a star in the sky. Can you make a star shape with your arms and legs? Stretch! You're a star.
This is a squid. It has 10 arms and moves very, very fast. Zoom! There he goes. Can you say squid? Zoom, zoom, zoom. Crab. Click, clack, click, clack. It's a crab. Crabs have 2 big claws and walk sideways. Can you walk sideways like a crab? Tiptoe, tiptoe. Stingray. Shh! This friend is flat and hiding in the sand. It's a stingray. Look at his long, thin tail. He glides so smoothly, smooth like butter. Lobster. Look at those big, strong claws. It's a lobster. He lives in a rocky cave. Snap, snap, snap. Can you make snapping hands? Snap, snap. Eel. Long and skinny like a snake. It's an eel. He likes to peek out from the holes in the rocks. Peekaboo, I see you, Mr. Eel. Pufferfish, watch out! Pop! He turned into a big round ball. It's a pufferfish. He does that to stay safe. Now he's a prickly balloon. Shrimp. Check out this tiny friend. It's a shrimp. He has long whiskers and loves to dance. Pop, pop, pop. Can you do a little shrimp dance? Look at that long, spirally tooth. It's a narwhal, the unicorn of the sea. Isn't he magical? Can you say narwhal? Beautiful! Walrus. He has big, long tusks and a funny mustache. It's a walrus. He loves to sit on the cold ice. Grunt. What a big friend. Seal. Look at him play. This is a seal. Bark, bark. He loves to bark and clap his flippers. Can you clap your flippers like a seal? Clap, clap, clap. Sea lion. This is a sea lion. He is a very loud and very fast swimmer. He looks like a seal, but he has little ears. Can you find his ears? Orca is a killer whale. Look at the black and white patterns. It's an orca. They are very smart and love to swim with their families. Bye-bye, orca. See you next time. Wow, what a splashy day.
We met 25 new friends and learned so much. I had so much fun with you today, Explorer. Before you go, don't forget to click the big red button to subscribe so we can go on more adventures together. Give yourself a big clap. See you next time. Bye-bye. Splish splash.